How's it going, everybody? Back again with another video. Going to be opening up some of the Panini Score trading cards that have arrived this morning in the post. Got 5 packs to open just for the purpose of this video, just so we can have a little bit of a look through. Yeah, interesting. We're going to have 10 cards per pack. There's actually 20 packs per box, but just so you've got a bit of an overview in terms of what you get in here. There's a mix in terms of like parallels. Obviously, you get the base cards that are in every box anyway as well. And obviously there's a chance, I believe, it autos as well, the Premier League score signatures, numbered from 199 to 1. So there we go. Thought we'd open them up, have a little look, and as always, if you enjoy these videos, just drop a little like through, always appreciated. And yeah, thanks very much. So let's kick this off. First pack. Now, what we do know is if there is a special card, that will be at the bottom. So, Jose Sarr to start us all off. Sadio Mane. James Maddison. Rico Henry. Milo Rashica. Jean-Philippe Mattea. Meslier. Nathan Redmond. Declan Rice. And we have hot rookies, Jacob Ramsey. Okay, next pack. Just in case you're curious, this gives you the overview as well. So there we go. Base Red Lava. Premier League Breakthrough. Hot rookies. I'll open it this way this time, so we don't know who's on the bottom. Give us a surprise for us. Raphael Varane, Daniel Bachmann, Dwight McNeil, Andy Robertson, Marcus Force, Trossard, Rupp, Gaeta, Douglas Luiz, and there we go. Emil Smith-Rowe. It's not numbered, so this is, I guess, what they would class as, what's this, a base red lava, is it, maybe? I don't know. Oops. Seems to be the case. Yeah, no number on there. Nice card. On to pack 3. Again. We'll go this way. We'll keep the suspense and see what we get. Vidra. Jordan Henderson. Sumare. Pulisic. Josh Brownhill. Mitchell. Traore. Livramento. Jared Bowen, he's having a cracking season. And we have a breakthrough card as well. Okay. 2 packs to go. We'll open this way around just to keep that suspense in terms of what we might get. Virgil van Dijk. Daniel Pedance. Ryan Fraser. Bernardo Silva. Ben Godfrey. Neil Maupay. Kyle Walker-Peters. Lucas Fabianski. Gabriel Martinelli. And we have All Hands Team Tim Krul. Okay, last pack. So other than the Smith-Rowe, really out of the 5 packs that I bought on side, nothing really to write home about, but let's see if we get last pack look here. Joel Linton. I can already see some shiny at the back there, so something's coming through. Ferran Torres, Bruno Fernandes, Adam Messina, Emiliano Martinez, Joaquin Anderson, Daniel James, Adam Lallana, and our last card is Rafinha. Very cool. What would that be classed as then? Who knows? It looks like I guess a base red lava maybe. Yeah, very cool once again. So there we go. All opened, all done. 5 packs there. So as always, like I say, if you open these yourself, let me know. But yeah, thanks very much for tuning in, and I'm sure we'll open more in the near future. Thanks so much. Bye.